NY.
Man, what a day. Okay.
CRL, CYRX, ABMT, HCSG, CN, QDEL, Play, BIIB, Net, MANH, mRNA, CPT.
Okay, I'm back to normal now. Thanks a lot for... Must have been fun on your end.
CERN, Jazz, BCYC, Beam, ASNT,
Which one? 4600.
Watt.
Yes. Let me look at it now.
BZFD.
Hold on.
BZFD,
See where the market is.
PHR, TSLA,
Tesla's getting 950. We got 950.
ESSC,
955.
ZNTL,
See what happens. Tesla at
GBT.
955 or 950. Okay, that's
Play.
up. OBS should be live.
Rare,
Okay, we're back on again. I had 19 on here, now they're all gone.
ANSS,
Well, oh well.
CERN, HCP, SCPS, TSLA,
Being patient. I don't want to rush. I feel like I did that last time where I don't want to overtrade. See what happens here with my baby.
YTEN,
Setting my platforms back up to start trading now.
EARN,
It's very, very, very low volume. I don't quite understand this Monday.
HCSG, ASO, Play,
They're waiting to sell maybe on Wednesday. Oh, 954. We broke below 950 here on Tesla now. This is going to be nice. I'm not a bull on Tesla no mo.
TSLA,
December 17. $900
WM.
puts.
SAM,
Okay. Bingo.
CERN. BFRI. BFRI. BFRI.
BFRI.
BFRI. PNM.
Shop hit the VWAP from that bottom 1370 on shop.
FTXN. DHI. HUDI.
Okay, let me see here. This is a freaking weird day. SYTA has been halted and resumed. SYTA.
WM. Earn.
SYTA. Resumed back from
FXLV.
highs. Halted circuit breaker. No news.
NES. TSLA.
God. Okay, the 900 put on Tesla up $40.
Agio. PDO.
There goes my A bus. Need about need to get back to
CRL.
437. Yeah, right there. 438.
ANSS.
That's what I want on A bus. 438.
HCSG.
Oh, Tesla. Don't reverse on me,
ABBB.
buddy. Let me see here. Call. I'm going to keep this trade
MKTX.
silent.
TDCX. PEN.
That one right there. 1020 strike.
WDAY. NVAX. NVCR. CRW. NLV. EVBG. SOVO.
IWM at the 200. We got the SPX at the 200 and the SPY
Watt.
and the QQQ. All four of them are all
HCP.
wanting to break. They just can't do it. They want to so bad. Oh, this is nice. Come on, baby.
HTHT. DHI.
QQQ.
FLGT.
So the QQQ.
ABMT.
SPY.
BPMC. IBIO. BBIO. AMGN. AMDV. IRM.
Damn, it's too late.
RGRN. PEN. HTHT. Allo. PNM.
I'm looking at the 400 strike for December 17 on the QQQ at 146. And 46.
Keys.
50.
Tyra. ANSS.
This QQQ
MANH.
December the 17 at 146.
BSM.
See if we break the 200
HCP.
here.
YMAB.
What you got there? Interesting on JP Morgan?
MKTX. TDCX.
Okay. QQQ. December 17.
KO.
Strike 400 at 146.
FXLV. SOVO. HCC.
Watch the QQQ and see if it runs up.
EFX. VEEV.
Amazon double top. Jimmy said it.
RMD.
Watch QQQ.
Now.
Jimmy said it. Double top on the VWAP. Double top on the VWAP. And the QQQ.
BBIO.
The QQQ 400 at 154. Triple top. Just now notice, so this is the top we got to break. Resistance.
MANH. DG.
We break 394.67. We're going to go higher. Okay.
FXLV.
That's what I said. The QQ.
Navi. BFB.
Some risky.
Oran. FWRDAPD. NTAP. FLGT. ZLAB. COV. Navi.
We're back at 146.
KO. VICR.
Come on.
Oran.
Iran. Amazon back up a little bit. Never did hit 950
IDT.
on a Tesla.
TBAC. CERN. Koyaf.
Oh. Come on. Whoever trades. I never trade that QQQ. IWM, same position.
Koyaf.
Got it.
LLY.
Might even would have been better.
OPGN. Watt.
IWM. Had that nice engulfing volume candle here. Then you got the pole, flagpole. So this is going to extend higher. You got divergence on the IWM.
ASNT. AMTX. MKTX. ABBV.
See if the SPX has a nice little run at the end of the day.
PMVP.
So far, it's been a doozy, but it's traded. I mean, if you sat there and watched the chart, We traded pretty easy today, but now we busted past resistance.
HCSG.
This is what I like about this. We're above the 50 now. The
Play.
200, I mean.
FXLV. ESSC.
Been a tough 3 weeks for Bobo.
VEEV. QLYS. CERN. ICLR. OM. ESSC.
Look at the linear chart
HUDI.
too. SPY 468.44 is our target.
HTHT. ESSC. UMH.
Another 60 bucks.
ENPH. GROM.
QQQ at 145.
VICR. BBIO.
$145. Hold that 21.
TSVT.
I'll be okay.
AOLK. ABBV.
I'm gonna try to find me a family down there in Kentucky to donate to.
CERN.
Yeah, on that time frame.
ILMN.
Looks like maybe the bottom.
HTHT. CRL.
JP Morgan worth
ANSS.
watching.
BFAM.
I'm gonna take a look at it.
Allo. Navi.
JP Morgan.
CRTO.
Oh my. JP Morgan's been slapped around a little bit too. Jamie Dimon deserved it. Or is this Jamie Dimon or is he Citigroup? Heck, I can't even remember anymore. I don't pay attention to that. Whoa. It does look attractive.
Watt.
JP Morgan.
BBIO. SLP.
Sure does.
AMTX.
I'm going to keep a good eye on the banks.
ABBV. ESSC. Play.
Still looking good on A-Bus. It's QQQ.
Allo.
Down $5 a contract here on QQQ.
ABMT. TSLA.
6. There's Tesla probably hitting support. Oh God, getting close.
HTHT. FXLV. Navi. Toll.
We hit this red
DRVN.
line. I'm going to add a little bit to it here, I think.
SOVO. AMTX. XHB.
Called it wrong. Thought we were going to break out of this 200. Right
ABBV.
now, 137.
CERN.
I've got to get ready for this other trade here. 715, 705, $7.
HCP. CRTO. ESSC.
So the QQQ got down to 137, 138. Very quiet. Yeah, Amazon didn't do the double top, it pulled back to the 200.
RMD.
$10.20.
Boot.
Where am I here? Okay.
TGLS. HCNP. Navi. TDCX. CRL. Agio. Tyra. FXLV. LLY. ANSS. DRVN. IRM. CPLP. Agio.
Yeah. Do it.
APTs. PMVP. CERN. HCSG.
JP Morgan I like.
LYB. CERN. Tyra.
On the weekly, JP Morgan off the 50. Yeah. What do you think about that time?
IKNA. TSLA. IKNA. FHTX. Allo. Ford. RPD. Play. Fox. Agio.
I'm gonna grab some JP Morgan.
Toll.
I'm going
DRVN.
for it. Let's see which one I want to get here. Uh-oh.
Ford.
I knew they were gonna bastards. Yep.
Play.
That's what I'm thinking. Take it back to at least 150. Well,
AEO. BCI.
that's not much of a bounce.
CN. UMH.
Come on, QQQ.
KO.
Well, the flag's bearish. That's the only thing I don't like about it. Everything about it's a bearish. Like it could have one nice pullback and then a real good run.
BCYC.
I mean, one just real sloppy day and then bam. But if it holds above this here
MKTX.
157.84 on JP Morgan,
Pen.
Amazon triple top, VWAP break, high or low. This is it for Amazon right now. Do or die.
TNDM.
Oh, I think I just saw it do it. Yep, here she goes.
HR. IGBH.
Don't come back. Let's do it. I'm sick of it. Sick of it.
UMH. Toll.
JP Morgan on daily
TDCX.
is an H pattern, bearish. Yep, an H pattern.
HTHT.
I've never heard of that.
HCSG.
Do you have a
AEO. CN.
you have something you can show me that pattern on? That H? I'm going to add it to my repertoire. If I don't know it already.
UTHR. VICR.
Oh yeah, Walmart.
ANSS.
You did say that. You said it. So the
CYRX.
QQQ I'm up on now.
EVBG.
Not much, but
TWST.
in Amazon
TDCX.
The triple top.
IGBC.
on the VWAP. I never called that before.
MANH. HR. VEEV.
Out of 17 years of trading, I've never called a triple top VWAP. So, may I have a standing ovation, please? And a higher level. Watch the SPY and the SPX now that the Amazon moved a little bit. We broke the triple top. Remember what Jimmy said?
Way.
He said, relax. Jimmy's scared. Now he's back down to 148. I'm still up on it though, but not much. On the QQQ, I need to break.
Play.
Where's my indices?
MTP. HR.
She just said indices.
Fox.
They're all breaking the 200 now. So Jimmy said 200. The SPX moving.
APTs.
I heard that I was a psychopath because I like money.
PTPI.
That's what a psychiatrist said.
AEO. Toll.
Money, rock and roll. That's when. That makes me a psychopath.
BCLI. BCLI. HTHT. TLYS.
You said it.
BLON. NXDT. Play. LLY. Fox. ABMT. ESSC.
Got one call at 155. Okay.
Pen. PDO. ESSC. HCSGCN. PTON. Boot. VICR.
Here's your 3 resistance levels.
AZPN. CRTO.
394.67. That 394.67 on the QQQ is the previous high we tried to break earlier.
Fox. UMH.
Now that we're kind of
DMTK.
above the
My
200,
APTs.
I want to see if we can get a better close into this one here.
HTHT.
We're $1.42 from the 950. Now, if this starts to gain respect above the 50, I might take it, but I don't know. I don't
WM.
seem to me like I just don't have the sediment right now.
HCSG.
I'm kind of burned out.
Huh.
I hate to say it, I'm burned out on it.
NXDT.
I hate to say it. Now, Amazon's going to look interesting here in a second.
ADGI. PAT. Agio.
Come on, Amazon. We got to break 34.12.
CRTO.
Come real close. Oh, gosh.
ESSC. ESSC. UPST. UMH.
Oop. The watch list is red. The top 20 list is red. UVXY up 66 cents and Lucid 38.75 up a buck.
Blue.
And mRNA. Amazon pulled back to the VWAP. Disney.
CRL.
What's Disney?
VICR.
Disney's doing good. Walmart.
HTHT.
Doobie mentioned Walmart. He said when SPY's down, he'd been watching the Walmart go up. Oh man, look at that. That Walmart triple bottom for the last 6 months. See, it's been a pretty hard sell off here this last couple of months. I can see why some people are hurting. Triple bottom here on the Walmart though.
SGEN. ALGT.
135.
HUSN. BFRI. BFRI. BFRI, 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 BPMC, ANSS, CCOI, CN, NXDT, BCYC, ESSC, HTHT, RGEN, EQIX, UMH, APTs, Hub, ABBB, SG,
What a
Flow.
day.
CN, IRM, ADGI, KO,
IWM new high.
WDAY, TDX, TPX, NXDT,
Come on, QQQ, bust a move. Do exactly what you did Friday.
ANSS,
Ah, here we go.
STAA,
SPY moving.
CDNS,
There's the QQQ, Florence. Let's get it on. Yeah. Now,
FB,
I'm going to go through this again in a second. What I'm focusing
PRDO,
on here in the last week to get in these trades early.
DNLI, CFLT, TWST, RPD,
There we go. Bam.
AVCR,
QQQ.
SPT, BFRI, CN,
Oh, $10 a contract now at 146.
BFRI, BFRI,
I take 20 off the table, I'll be happy.
play,
Watch the SPY. Okay, the SPX just hit the red line resistance.
sound, BCI,
I'm playing it just the way I thought.
TDX,
No, I'm not saying it yet, but now we've hit the pivot point. This is critical. This is critical resistance to break. On the SPX,
BFRI, BFRI,
not the best picture, but you
KO.
get the idea. Oh, God. Yeah, I get the idea. That's called an H.
CN, Rock,
Yeah, I know what an H is.
DNLI,
And I also know what a V is. And I know what a high or low is.
now,
I know what a flag is. I just need you to break more. Come to Papa.
play,
Come out and play.
ABBV, GLAQ, NXDT, PRDO, Blue, BNTX,
exactly what you want it to do. Let me see here.
BFRI.
Dow Jones at 221.
BFRI. BFRI.
S&P minus 24.
BFRI. FLGT. BFRI.
Let's see what the idiots on CNBC saying here.
And here is your CNBC News update at this hour. President Biden and
Pod.
I don't want to hear that name right now. I don't want to hear about a politician. They always bring up politics. Walmart going to hit that 50 on daily.
DNLI. BFRI. Play.
And come back to the 9 here for a little bit for a smooch.
BCI.
BFRI has a huge rotation. BFRI.
Blue.
Tesla hit 952 here. What's going on with that? I don't want to come in here tomorrow and see it up, but I'm not going to swing it either. I don't want to trade it. We're way below the body of my support level. We're getting real close.
Agio.
951.02. Oh shit. We're
Jazz.
just 30 cents off. Huh. I wish I saw that a little bit earlier. I probably took
HTHT.
that. Still looking good on the
FTS.
QQQ. And SPX. My SPY still up. UPST is down to
CELZ.
150.50.
TSVLZ. CELZ.
Google, for all you Google lovers, it's down today.
NARI. BCI.
We got a rotation on CELZ. A lot of green on the scanner. ABBV at 127.69.
Melly.
Good job on that Walmart.
APTs.
Okay. Tesla 770s. Still up on these. 1020
PTPI.
strike.
ASNT. IRM. DPZ.
Ring a bell.
HTHT.
Ring a love. Love strong.
CLDX.
Good things, not sad.
Play. Navi.
Double bottom on NVIDIA. MU. TSM at 116 held up pretty well.
CHNR.
Let's look at today's loser.
Mesa. TPX.
MESA. I thought I talked to somebody about this one here. MESA.
Yale.
Down, up, down.
Navi.
Yep, I get the idea.
PTPI.
MESA.
ASTHT.
UPST.
FLS. FTS. HCP. APPN.
QQQ. Ah, good
RPP.
job. Very nice.
IRM.
So far, we're still bullish on QQQ.
ANLS.
He doesn't know
CAZVC.
how long, though.
MRTX.
Come on. You're ruining my credibility here, market.
DPZ. SEM. Play. KC. ROVR.
Ooh. Watch it. Right there. 148.
HTHT. FTS. SPGI. ASNT. SG. HCST. PTPI. TPX.
Descenda. Boom. Okay, the SPX pulled back to the 50.
Blue. Navi.
See how that affects the
EXFY.
QQQ. Now I'll pull back a little bit.
Play. IRM. ESSC.
We're all at support again. Most of them pulled back to the 50.
ICLR.
The SPY, the SPX, and the QQQ.
Tyra. OLED.
Walmart new high.
SPT.
Going back to 150, I
SEM.
bet.
BCI.
Christmas. Walmart's not been that bad this year compared to years in the past. When I go shopping for my supplies. Next year, my goal is to make $1 million.
PDBC. NXDT. BFRI.
This year my challenge went from 1,000 to 31
FND.
in 5 months.
Play. MSTR. HTHT. RGEN.
Been tough here the last 3 weeks.
Agile. ANSS.
There's breeze there for a while. About 2 months.
HCG. Kazi. EGP.
I did grab some Tesla at the bottom.
FLGT.
I'm in the
BCI.
QQQ here at the
AZPN.
400 strike at 148,
EDTK.
146 I mean.
NVAX.
And I'm up $100 a contract on the Tesla right now.
EDTK. DNLI. Melly.
Oh, keep going, baby.
SEHNR. EVBG.
Tesla's looking good.
EDTK. W.
Right there. I broke that.
TPX. LLY. IRM. CRL.
I've been calling 950 on this thing for a long time now.
BCI.
That's the channel of resistance we got to break.
MSTR.
QQQ. Looking good. 154.
NHI. Watt. UNCY. ASNT. IRM. DUOL. MSTR. Nari. Tyra. TGLS. EPAM.
Down, coming down, coming down.
LLY.
Down, coming down.
CHNR. Blue. Oron. ESSC.
MSTR at
RRD.
567, Mr.
CHNR. EPAM.
Oh, the Amazon?
DPZ.
Yeah, 4,600. Here, I'll send it to you. I thought you knew.
Kazi. CRL. HTHT.
Let me
UTHR.
look at it again here. Oh, no, 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 no,
HR.
no, 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 no.
NXDT. ORCL.
What did I say? 46. Oh, shoo, yeah.
CSGS.
Shoo. Panic attack.
PTPI. SGEN. SEM. EPAM. ASNT. BCYC.
There's something ain't right here. $37.
BZ. LXDT. SEAC. Oran. UMH. HTHT. CGNX.
Down, going down.
WM. VZ.
QQQ.
ETYX.
A-bus. ABUS.
IRM.
Come back down. I was going up. What happened to you? I need a bus.
KC. TPX.
Hillary bounced off the bottom a little bit. 30 cents.
NXDT. UMH.
UNH, United
CL.
Healthcare. They're making a killing.
MSTR. Navi. HTHT. SPWH. TDCX.
I think you'd be surprised
TGLS.
how much money goes from the
PCT.
government into our healthcare
PZ.
system, and how much actually just comes out of our pocket. You'd be surprised.
BSM. ASNT.
Per capita. It's a lot more than you think that they're paying for us.
BZ.
Come on, market. It's too close to Christmas.
CRL. CL.
Oh, I know what I was going to look up.
Watt.
She says what? I'm going to
Sam.
look up percentage losers.
TPX. ABMD. ARWR. Rare.
See if I recognize anything here on the loser list. Besides my QQQ, which I'm a little green on.
WM. UPST. IRTC. VZ.
So AMC,
IRT.
definitely below my support level. No, actually it's on it. 23.35. Mara at 36.50 something. Ooh, Mara took in a knife. GME.
FND.
Now, does anybody remember how much this thing got up to?
QDEL.
GME,
MSVH.
$483. Now we're sitting down here on the pivot point on the yearly chart.
EVBG.
We just come back from 250. So, the market's been in pretty nasty
Yeah.
sell-off for a month. Definitely. And that's been overpriced anyway. And this IINN had a nice run.
UMH.
Bounced all it one day up to $6 and said, no, I don't think so. Go to
HTHT.
224,
EXFY.
down 10%. This was a $149 stock.
VZ.
BCTX
PRTA. WDAY. TPX.
also took a nasty hit.
TNDM.
So everything happened so fast that it's thrown people in
ORCL.
shock. This sell-off.
SEM.
I mean, look at this one here. 3 days, 3 black crows,
SNDX.
back down to support level that took
Navi.
almost in 3 days, well, in a week, 3 days. What took 3 days to sell off took 3 months to get.
SEAC.
This BCTX. What took 3 months to climb only took 3 days to sell off. So that's not nice.
MSTR.
Yeah.
Navi.
QQQ.
ORCL.
$150.
EBND. SNDX. RMTI.
Walmart.
BIGZ.
Lulu.
SNDX. Play.
Lulu at 404.
SGPX. SGMA. SGMA. PSA.
What was it? SEAC and SNDX.
VZ. Jan. NTP. FND. MSTR. TGLS. NBEI. RIN. EQIX.
Huh. SEAC.
SNDX. VZ.
T charged to resume trade.
INCY. PRTA, RIN. SADX. ASO.
ASO.
WM. TGLS. UTHR. Reg.
Very boring. Even on a boring day, I can
INCY.
find something to do. REGN. That's a crazy one.
IRM. DXCM.
Go to CLZS and see anything else in here.
WM.
0 to 15, 10%. Blue. I forgot all about blue. Blue's the one I
ENPH.
traded this morning.
PRDO. CN. LH. CRTO.
This is the one I wish I'd have held this morning.
CERN. INCY.
Yeah.
Play.
I took it to my resistance level and got out of the trade.
SEAC.
This morning.
SEAC. 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 ORCL.
That'd have been $600 if I'd have held that.
WST.
600. No,
TGLS.
400. 400.
CL. DUOL. ENPH.
But I didn't think it would go that high. SEAC. SEAC. Ooh,
RIN.
she take it off.
ROVR. CERN.
There's no news. The conference call
INCY.
on the 9th. Sea Change International. I like to see change.
TRL. Agio.
I see it come and go.
SEAC.
I like to see change come and go. I said that.
ICLR.
I know. Jim, won't you just retire? GIG, TIG,
DPZ.
Oracle,
TGLS.
$100. Oracle. Oh, what you got there? Wonder what the psychiatrist charged per hour. Woo.
AMT. HUDI.
I used to do it for, what do you call it?
SAM.
Barter work. My psychiatrist and my lawyer and my mental therapist and my massage therapist, I would barter with them, trade them with picture
ALNY.
frames. Now I can just trade it with money.
SNDX. CERN.
ARNA.
SNDX.
She's happy. NCTY is happy.
ROIC. SNDX. SNDX.
Definitely bearish pattern.
TPX.
We don't like bears.
APPN. PRLB.
SEAC. They got a, they did get they secured a multi-million-dollar contract renewal for the U.S.
IRT.
So there's your new, that's old news, but not too far back. So that's probably it, stimulus package.
CRL. SNDX. HUDI. HCP. TPX.
And that was on not, that was on the 29th.
ALLK.
Old news.
GBT.
Yeah.
ROIC.
Yep, old news. That's the only thing I see. International third quarter
EBMT.
fiscal conference call. That was on the 9th.
CRTO. SEAC. U.
Boom, 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 boom. 39 million float, and it's got 8 million in volume.
CHPT. CERN.
TPX. There was one that I talked about this
FFIB.
weekend.
PEN. TPX. ARLB. CN. Play. BCYC. PEGA.
I'm gonna go
GTWO.
I talked about over
SGEN.
the weekend.
LLY. Tyra. WDAY.
Blue. I got that one done. Hog.
GBT.
What was it? Mike. What's Mike got up there? Actually, looking at the monthly chart back 20 years.
GBT.
KHC, that's the one.
FLNC.
I was looking at KHC this weekend.
RDWR.
Let's see what happened today with it. Oh! Paul? KHC.
CERN. SEAC. MTP. FBP. CRTO. IRT.
Okay, what'd you do with my snippet thing?
HCP. MTP. EQIX.
1 hour time frame. If it breaks to 200. 3469. Oh, we're off to the races. Jimmy said it.
IRM. Millie. RGEN. FBP. U.
Uh-oh. What's going on? What's going on? I'm about ready to do a happy dance. Okay,
CHPT.
let's have a little meeting.
EXPT.
Let's have a little meeting. This is, I know, but here we go. SPY. We'll do the SPY and then the SPX. Nasty sell-off today on this thing, on the SPY. But what I liked about it was hitting this double bottom right in here. That was what I liked about the SPY. So took a couple trades on it and then ended up taking the bottom. So that's like 3 times. And that's the SPY. And the SPX same way. You know, I'm getting this sneaky down. And if you sit and watch it and learn it. So here you got the snake. And we were in the chamber. We were in the trend. And you can play the trade inside the trend. Once we establish this resistance up here, and we established the support, it was an easy trade right in there. And then to get back in it, what I liked about it, when I was talking about this here part of the trade, I said if we stay above this part here, I'm going to feel bullish in the trade again. Because we were weak when we're under the pivot point. When we're in that channel, that's a bull flag. So I'm trading it inside the flag. That's a Darvis box, a vertical instead of a horizontal. All it is a vertical Darvis box. Then recognizing the trend and playing, getting in. I had to get in twice because I thought I had it here. But the double bottom, then the double bottom. Now we're back up here. So if you're following me in trades, you need to understand I'm trading a pattern. I'm scalping in the pattern unless it breaks. And I wanted to break the 200. I wanted this to break the 200, but it just couldn't break the trend. And finally, it was trying to break the 200. So I'm still bullish in the trade as long as we keep trying to break the 200. Then once I broke the 200, the sneaky snake just starts to prove itself. And here we are, we're into power hour. The same exact. Now, would we not be surprised if we get a big bang into close? I know it's frustrating sometimes following how I trade. But all I'm doing is trading the pattern and the trend. That's it. Nothing more. And if I get to a certain resistance level and break it, then I go ahead and break it. It's the IWM. First thing this morning I got in here on all these trades. I said I'm working the sneaky on all of them. They're all starting to reverse. I'm seeing, support levels, and they're all acting the same, and they all turn around the same time. Every one of these. So I could take one or I could take all 4 of them. Today I took the QQQ, took the SPY, I took the SPX, and I don't know why I didn't take the IWM. I called it on the bottom too. Now the QQQ were at 163. This option was at 146 when I bought it. So Florence, you got your ears on? 395.82 next. Let me see. I appreciate. We're going to see what the next resistance on the QQQ is. How about what'd you put down? 395? Pretty close. 36 would work. You're real close. Good job, Florence. I'll send you the chart. That's beautiful. And actually, I want to show you. Well, it would be hard for you to probably digest that. Let me see where that come from. Oh, I can't even digest it. If I can't digest it, what the hell have I done here? Let's see, 5 minute, 3 minute. I don't know how I come up with that support, but I did. Probably right in here. 395.36. Let's break it. I think we can go higher if we break 395.36. Okay. So on the QQQ, we break 395.36. I see where she come up with her number. Probably right up in there somewhere. Now on this QQQ chart, I think you can see it on the screen. I had two support lines here. And this first one failed and hit that second one. So now we've got to try to break this one. And if we break this one, we'll see 396.80. And QQQ. Arna, TC, TRQ. TRQ had a good day. 50% pace for the largest increase since July of 2020. Statements of Government of Mongolia. NTCY is another good hot one. This one here I think is a good one to keep on your penny watch list. She's been slapped around too. NCTY.
ROIC, Chrome. WL.
Okay, we got 394.67 to hold right here on the QQQ. Previous high.
HCSG. Agio.
Well, that wasn't nice of him.
Spew. BSJM, CHPT, CELCLC, CELCLC, PRLB.
That wasn't nice.
ORCL. Watt. Reg.
885.
CELCLC.
1. Whoa.
TMO. CELZ. EXFY.
Boom, boom, boom.
FB.
What you got there? Watch
SNDX,
Amazon.
SNDX,
OSHA opening
SNDX,
investigation on tornado damage.
SNDX,
Oh,
SNDX, CELZ.
yeah. Amazon should get hurt because of that.
Agio.
I don't know what happened to the branch up here. I don't think he got affected. So let's be careful with Amazon. Let this rest a little
SNDX.
bit. They got hit pretty hard down there in Tornado Alley.
SNDX, PRDO, HCSG. SNDX, SNDX.
That's a good point.
SNDX, play. SNDX,
Excellent point.
ORCL. SNDX. DPZ. URAV. SNDX.
SUNW on watch. Come front loading earlier.
SNDX.
Some front loading.
SNDX.
Just hit the news. Yeah.
IDRA.
SNDX. I saw that popping earlier.
IDRA. SNDX. SEER.
Farm officer added data showing continued robust clinical activity on durable responses of phase 1.
SNDX. HOS.
It's going to $20. 1973 to 20. Got it. It's going to go up another dollar.
TGLS.
SNDX. Easily going to hit 1973.
CHPT.
Jimmy said it.
AZPN. HCSG.
1970
RGCL.
and 1822 support off the 200.
CFLT. Cron.
Support 1823, 1825.
SNDX.
Resistance 1973.
SNDX. SNDX. QLYS. SNDX. SNDXY. SNDX. SEER. SNDX.
That's exactly what I thought.
NVCR.
We're going to put this where we can see it. Right there. We're going to round it off to that.
RDWRDXCM.
1832.
SAVA.
I want my MTV.
Chicks.
I want my... '73 was a good year.
IH. ESSC.
73, I shot the sheriff. Or was that
Wow.
72? But I didn't shoot the
TPX.
deputy.
SEER. IDLA. NVAX.
I shot the sheriff.
KYMR.
SNDX support.
Cron.
Cron. I don't ever want to hear that word again.
PMC. PRLB.
When I retire, I'll never want to hear Corona ever again.
DXCM. MDGL.
Take that Corona and shut up
HCSG.
their butts. Resistance to break.
ADSK. Agio.
19.73. I know it's here to stay. Somebody's going to send me that message.
Millie. RDWR.
Live with it. It's here to
TPX.
stay.
MAI. LHX. HCP. RIN. SEER. CRNC. IBB.
I remember when
BZ.
it was kind of neat how President Obama handled the, what was it, czars?
SRC.
Trump did fairly well with the news conference, but
ROIC. DXCM.
I remember how they
EQIS.
task force
DUOL.
and they were getting on top of things. I think it was czars.
SAVA. Agio. TMAC. IGF. IPE. SEAC. SEAC. SBAC. FLGT. Agio. BNTX. SWAV. RIN. CL. SEAC. TPX. SEAC. DXCM. SEAC. GMT. SPGAC. Boots. B. Lee. SEER.
Did it?
AADI. CFLT.
No, let me see here.
CASI.
Kathy,
ROIC. INSP. SRC. EGP. SBAC. PRLB. NTLA. Play. Go. HCP. TPX. DXCM.
okay. Apple,
CAGNT.
Apple,
HRL.
ENSC,
APPN. MELI. RIVN.
shit. ENSC,
Play. Jazz.
all that jazz. What else am I looking at?
GCC.
So we got
TNGLS.
the dip here on
Agio.
ENSC at 378.
SBAC.
That's what I typed in this morning. If dips, so let's keep it on watch here. Bubba.
CRNC.
Sava. Boom. Big volume. That's weird. I was looking at Baba. SEAC worth watching.
Play.
Oh.
CHPT.
Jim Cramer weighs in on Carnival, Canadian Pacific Railroad, Quick Sciences shares volume,
SRC.
seeking Alpha Plus. From an Alpha post.
Reg.
Second phase 3 trial. That was last month. I got
HCP.
SEAC on watch here. We're above the VWAP now. I say
EQIS.
if you break this number right here, you'll go higher, 126.
TPX. CRL.
If you break 126, you'll go higher. Easy 135.
ROIC.
On SEAC. Oh man, what a day. QQQ still holding resistance, still bullish. Unless we hold it, we drop below this, it could drop down to the 200 on the QQQ.
DXEM. No.
Tesla's at 835.
CL.
QQQ's at 148. 400 strike. Yep, that's it. That's it.
Sava. EBNT.
Back to my 146 here. My entry on QQQ.
OLED. KC. Reg.
There is 200. 142.
TGLS.
So we're off the 200 right now. The QQQ
No.
just hit the 200. Add on, take it, and get out.
JNJ. NTLA. No. WST. LDOS.
Oh man, I was up nice on this thing a little bit. Anybody
MRNA.
ever used cold coffee for a mouthwash? I'm going to show this to you, Florence, on the QQQ. Bounced back and touched the 200s. That still puts me in like
KC.
where I want to add on and then get the heck out of it.
Agio. KLIC.
It's off the 200.
NVDA.
UPST, my shares are down. Let me look at it here.
SQM. SEAC. SEAC. SGMA. No. Reg.
139. Okay, I'm going to put a stop on this pretty soon.
IPE. EXPD. NOC. EQAH. HRL.
222. We got it. 40 more minutes. 38 more minutes.
KC.
I'm down $11 contract on this thing now.
KLIC.
To the 200. Come like best.
DUOL.
It's been the hardest 2
NVDA.
weeks I've ever traded.
No. DGX. JNJ. Watt. CLX. GRL. WST. HRL. UTHR. KLIC. ALLK. SPT. CRNC. NTLA. IBB. MDGL,
Man, it took 5
Halo.
minutes.
MRTX,
All that beautiful gain.
XLP, SGEN, NVAX, TPX, Melly, NVDA, DXCM, Agio, NOC,
UPST. I need to look at this
HRL,
stock. I'm still in the QQQ.
CL,
UPST. Upset holding shares are trading lower. Move appears related to overall market weakness.
SWAV, IBB,
This is the one that had the big whale. Why Upstart shares are falling?
Watt,
Upstart shares are 10% with some continued
BIIB.
weakness. Morgan Stanley on Wednesday initiated coverage on the stock with an equal
JKHY.
weight rating and announced price target of 200.
XLP, ASNT,
The Crown Holdings shares are rising. Not today. The cloud-based artificial community revenue and company's preliminary compromise fees. QQQ,
CL.
come on, baby. Why
MRK.
Upstart shares are falling? Already read that. Upstart shares are falling.
DXCM,
The shares are trading.
SWW,
Bankers Associate Partner to provide all leading technologies. $200 price target.
FHTX,
Technology. Treasury yields.
KC,
God damn, they have one for
VIAC,
JP Morgan.
NEM,
Says at 327. So that's down 100% or 50.
PTCT,
JP Morgan's 315.
PTIX, MMIN,
Just too many third quarter earnings reported.
CL, Millie, Halo,
What a run. I mean, just $401 UPST. And now we're down here at 151. This thing ran all the way to
SBAC.
401. And now we're at 151 on UPST. First of the year, it started at $22 and ran all the way to $401.
DXCM,
$380 run in a year.
CL, SNDX, 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 KLIC, CRL, MDGL, PSA, S, EGP, XLP, SNDX, 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 IRT, SNDX, SNDX,
Okay, now if this thing don't start turning around real fast, QQQ, I'm gonna take $10 loss. 5 contracts.
No. ABMD.
Now we're right to that time where those stocks broke out the other day.
KLIC.
I don't know if that's going to happen today or not. Pow Pow opened his mouth.
BHBN.
Come on. If it wasn't for this morning, I'd have a red day. And Tesla, that little scalp I did on that one.
NVAX. IRNAMT. BDX.
Really thought this thing was breaking out.
KC. VNQ. EQIX. mRNA.
See, when it gets to where I can't even predict these support levels, that's getting pretty bad.
PSA. FTS. ANSS. HR. SCRNC. CRL. ADB. UMH.
Come on, baby. Bounce back up
KLIC.
there.
CFLT.
Watch them indices, see what they do here. I mean, I was bullish Friday, but not today. Not as bullish.
RIVN.
Microsoft.
ROBR.
Microsoft held today.
TMO.
Nile.
SBAC.
Nile held today. Friday's support. Nile did. XPV.
BZ.
LCID.
HUDI. IRT. HR.
Some sneaky snakes come in handy if you want to learn how to scalp.
NEM.
There's another one right
CRNC.
there.
NSCC. KLIC. RIN. SRQ. UMH. MA.
Come on,
FTP.
QQQ.
ABMT. SEER. OLED. NVDA. AZPN. CLDX. R. WST. SAVA. EGP. LQIX. SPGI. IRM. ROIC. GBT.
So Boeing got below
IRT.
my 122 today. Bounced right back to it. That was Baba. Baba.
ANSS. HUDI.
195 on Boeing.
ESC.
We're back up from that.
CRL. LSTR. FTS.
I might swing the QQQs.
SEAC.
I think I will.
TWST. HTHT. MSEX. WK. BHBN. DCZ. LEN.
You UPST.
CL. SEAC.
Oh, there's SEAC. Little pop. Oh, what's
ADB.
going on here? Shit.
EQIX. SEAC. AOD. SBAC. NER. WMT. EXR. RMD. XLP. FTS. FBP. ALIC. mRNA. HTHT. WST. TMO. IRT.
Back to even on the QQQ.
LDOS. MELI.
Smelly.
QDEL. GBT. CFLT. ABMD. DPZ. TWST. SEER. HCP.
Man, these people.
IGF. No. HRL. QLYS. CL.
SPY
ANSS,
resistance.
EFX.
The SPX broke a resistance again. The QQQ's at the 50.
RINQ. SRC. FTS.
What do we got here? NES
LDOS.
219. Gotta watch NVIDIA soon.
GLOV.
It can still pull back.
GBT. IRT. BZ. CRNC. GBT. Watt.
What?
ALNY. VICR. UI. ALPC.
Ooh, nice. The QQQ,
GBT.
three.
GBT. PGON. CRL. GBT. 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 GBT.
Come on, baby, break.
GBT. QDEL. CL. No.
What the heck happened there?
SRC. UMH. GBT. 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 TGLS. GBT. 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 HTHT. XLO. XLO. IRT. VNQ. SBAC.
Huh.
HIW. PSA. GBR.
GSA.
GBT. HRL. IGOS. GBT. OLED. New. GBT. SEAC. SEAC. Agio. EXC. EQIX. MCO. MRTN. RIVN. Watt. SPGI. UMH. Sear. YMM. ASNT TPX. ARHS. OLED, CRL. ASO, HTHT. BCYC. GLOB. MDGL.
Nice call on that SEAC reversal.
IRT.
With that 135. Beautiful.
IDRA. RHOG. IDRA, SNDR. FICO. GBT. HRL. LDOS, HIW, CYBR. EQIX, SEER. OLED. IRT. NOC. GBT, EGWO, GBT, HTHT, JBGS, CL, GBT, 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 SGBT, FTST, GBT, 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 SBAC, GBT, 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 YMM, GBT, 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 GBT. BNTX, ADB, EFX, LDOS. J&J, SEAC, PIII, WMT, HRL, CRNC, HIW, LNDR, TMO, Watt, PTGX, EXFY.
Oh, but you didn't get in. Still
HGSH, WST,
still good trade right there for a small little bitty scalp.
LLY, ASNT,
Yeah, I'm just,
HCP, PTON, RPD,
market's kind of not exactly what I wanted
GBT.
today.
GBT, ANSS, GBT,
I was really thinking we're going to have a good day.
APTs,
I mean, a real good day.
GBT, 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 GBT.
The Dow Jones has come back a little bit, but the NASDAQ hadn't.
XBI, GBT, and TRA. Now. NVCR, CN. ICLR, GBT. ESNT. WK. New. GBT. JNJ. GBT. 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 Lee. Boots. HCSG.
$16 more minutes.
PTON. IKYBR. BZ.
PTON.
YMM. CRNC. Agio.
Kramer got his way with that. Got a new high.
WDAY.
Piton. He'd been pumping the heck out of this stock.
EVBG.
Jim Kramer has.
EQAL. IDRA. IDRA.
It really looks, juicy.
IDRA.
At least back to 43 bucks.
IDRA.
I see Piton easily back to 43.
SNDR.
I could say 46.
Hog. Ma. BNTX.
I'm going to say it. Jim Kramer.
ESSC. GML.
Check Jim
EGP.
Kramer.
ESSC.
I know you're pumping this stock.
PSAS. MANH. Now MANH. WST. AAPL.
So we got 43.16.
IRT. BZ. ASNT.
And then 46.
U. NJR. ESNT. CLSK. SNDR. FUV. WSO. FHTX. He. GME. XLP. VNQ. VICR. SRC. PSA.
Hood.
JBGS. PSA. FTS. ADB.
Piton breaking to 50. 3 white soldiers.
CL. CFBI. TMO. LDOS. SEAC. Agio. NVDA. GBACAC. WMT. SEAC. EXFY. BKH. CRNC. U. MR cost. SEAC.
Shit.
SEAC. WSO. AAPL. SEAC. GBA. PSA. RGEN. JRWD. TWST. SAR. Agio. BZ. ASIX. GBT. New. SEAC, SEAC, U. SEAC. SEAC. AAPL, CYBR,
Hood
SEAC,
looks real cheap.
ADB, CLSK, LLY, FHTX, GBA,
That SAEC went to 158. What are you talking about?
KLIC, EPAY, EPAY,
Apple new low.
MRK,
See, I had an analyst on here this morning bad-mouthing Apple. Oh, I don't know if I'd buy them at these levels. Oh, I don't know, man. Apple's been on a great run. That's what they said. Apple's been on a great run. Oh, I wouldn't buy them at this levels. If you ever watch CNBC, it's how they ask the questions. It's how they ask the questions that makes you suspicious on this market.
ILF, ETWL, CASI, EXFY, TMO.
Because the way I understand it, they used to all just kind of tailgate each other and kind of leave us little ones kind of guessing, and they would make the market trend the way they wanted to. Now it's a little more tough for them, so they're actually out in the open talking about it now. Which they've already probably had their behind the closed door meetings. I'm talking about the fat cats. Because they were saying the same thing about Apple this morning. Oh, it's overextended. Time to get a run. Finally, everybody's a believer in Apple. Apple's still undervalued.
SEAC,
But it's had too big of a run.
SEACY, AOD, SEAC, Hub, WST, SEAC, EFOI.
I agree with them. Apple's finally had a breakout.
FTS, KLIC, IRTC, MDGL,
It's a beautiful one. We called it
MTC,
off 130.
CRWD, Kachi, NOC, EXFY,
They hit my 175 target, so I'm
ADB,
plus.
SBAC, TMO, ESSC, TNDM.
Now we're back down to 175, so it makes me
FPP.
wonder. Could I say this is the old, going to be the new support? Sold off $7 today. $6.
AAPL, SSTK,
I'd rather see it touch the 9, take the trade off the 9. See how you've touched the 9 here before? So if you set yourself up to take the Apple
SCHC,
off the 9,
YMM, Glob,
I think you'd be setting yourself up pretty good. They even tried to bring in China this morning,
AMTX,
but I've already talked about that.
GBA, CWI, ROVR, CFBI, EPAY, MBDA,
What's another GE? GE's gradually starting to lose its momentum.
S,
So we got that
SGALSK,
last week sell-off.
GLSK, BZ,
This is kind of how
Taco,
this is kind of how
Devil,
this is kind of how I called the market. We had that sell-off, and I said by Wednesday You know, it started easing off. So we had that nice 3-day run. Then Wednesday came. Now here on GE, we got a higher low. It's a fish hook pattern. So 1, 2, 3 days sell off. Three-day run, 3-day sell off. There's something to think about there on GE. Apple didn't have no 3-day sell off. Apple didn't give a crap. When it hit that 200, it just went ahead and had its breakout. $22 run off the 200. So let's look at the SPX. Ooh, the SPY's tanking. The SPX tanking.
ASIX, LRNAD, SHYG, TMO,
Let me look at the lotto here.
FBC, ILF,
Look, SPX lotto.
SOVO, toll,
The 4680 at 25 cents.
ADB,
20 cents right
WDAY,
here.
NSC,
Okay. Got the 4680. God a day on this one.
PEN, EVBG, ILMN,
17th. Go with the 15.
DXCM,
Jesus Christ.
AMGAC,
4730. 4750.
MNDY, SEAC, PIII, UBS,
Wow, it took a big
SEAC,
hit.
ASNT,
Majority House Leader Chuck
SEAC,
Schumer
SEAC, FBC, AUUD,
Tuesday on legislation to raise the federal government debt limit. I thought they
SEAC,
voted on that
FND,
already.
DCP,
They're going to vote tomorrow on it?
DGP,
Huh. So they haven't voted to raise the debt?
AJX,
Imbalance to
SJR,
buy 1.2 billion.
WST, EPAY, OLED, ESSC, BZ, MSEX, IPE, AMNT,
God, look at that sell off. Took
VMNT.
all day to get that thing up here. Less than 8 minutes.
PTON, toll, VMNT, VMNT, MSFT,
Wow.
VMNT, SUTC, SEAC,
What a day.
VMNT, VMNT, EPAY, BSM,
I'm going to go back and look at some of them others I alerted.
ASIX, DXCM,
So Apple, I'm going to look for the 200 on
SEAC,
support levels
EVBG,
on the hour time frame.
EGMNT,
There's a big sloppy mess.
now, CNXCYC, PTON EQIX WDAY KSUOC ANSS
329.85 for Microsoft.
FBC MSFT MSEX ASNT IWR MRK
Right there, 329.85.
ALNY
Bunch of Darvis boxes being made.
Low
Same as a
Heavy.
SPY. I said Jimmy said we'd go sideways on the SPY.
ASIX
Jimmy still believes it.
PRGLSK CLX
So-
AVGO DXCM
I mean, you got a huge box
QOLED
to deal with here.
JWEL TMILSUPN AMT MNTK VTYX TTEC STZ EQIC IRTC
Pretty solid that we're not going to break a triple top this year. Oh, that time went by fast.
DCP ETWO
Okay.
EWN AMTX
SPX at 160. What the hell happened here? Interesting.
TSLA TSLA
Well.
LLY W TSLA NIO BLNK FCEL
I don't know. Today's not the kind of day I wanted to see, for one. The volume did not intrigue me one bit. It's like the market's waiting for something. And I don't want to wait to listen to what Pow has to say, or because I just know what's going to happen when the tapering. It's going to just automatically trigger a correction. And I think there's a big disconnect between Wall Street and Main Street. Seriously, I've always thought that. That's why I decided to jump, on board with Wall Street many years ago. But everybody's been in here, been putting the caution signs out. Shark, first thing, she came in here. Time, same thing. Others in here, Mike, Florence is posting a few things. I love that. Love seeing that. And so we're all a little cautious. I wanted to see a better day today to kind of say, okay, I was right about the week. That we were going to just kind of shrug this all off. But Time mentioned, market reaction to the algorithms to the COVID crap. This has been, we none of us deserved any of this. Maybe stick it inside the prisons, but so right now the market's been very volatile. That's for sure. I was showing them sell-offs. $22 all the way to $385 or $400 and down. So I guess that's about it. Use caution. You must. Went from red to green. That's very nice. So YouTube, we'll catch y'all later. Y'all have a great one. Thanks a lot.